Welcome back. Today I've got a short video on how to do a oil and filter change on a 2007 to 2010 Jeep Compass. Remove the oil fill cap so the oil will drain faster. Locate the oil filter and oil drain under the car. If your work area is dirty like mine, wipe it down. Then remove the drain plug with a 13mm socket. A 1/2 inch will also work here. Spin off and remove the old oil filter, and we can prep our new filter for installation. The OEM oil spec is 520, but personally I prefer to run 530 for a little additional protection. Apply some fresh oil to lubricate the oil filter gasket and reinstall. Hand tight and 1/4 to 1/2 turn is good here. Reinstall and snug down your drain plug. I like to mark this bolt with a paint pen just so I can check if anything's moved later. Add 4.5 quarts of oil and check the dipstick. Once everything looks good, clean up your work area, and I'll see you in another 7,500 to 10,000 miles.